I had to unlearn a lot of things, which I enjoyed a lot. If you're authentic, you're being real, that's the most attractive thing in the world. Don't allow myself to be judged by people who are criticizing my hair, shirt, pant. I'm only as good as the actor who's in front of me. Hi guys, this is Hrithik Roshan and you are watching Bollywood Hangama.
As an actor, how important is the body language for you? Because when you're seeing the body language of you as Anand Kumar, it's completely different from what you've ever done before. And it's like simply not recognizable. Even जिस तरीके से आप वो करते हैं कि that हो जाएगा, जो एक उसमें वो है, it's something which is, how crucial is getting the body language right?
Very, I think, but the body language, I think, comes from a change of stance in your thoughts. You know, when your belief system needs to change its stance about what is good, what is bad, what is permissible in society, so as Hrithik, there are a lot of things that I would not do because I have been taught a certain mannerism, a certain, traits, which I had to change in my mind when I was doing this role. So because there's a lot of freedom and abandon in the Bihari accent, in the Bihari personality, the behavior. There's a lot of abandon. So I had to unlearn a lot of things, which I enjoyed a lot. I mean, these are all restrictions that we put on ourselves, right? That we have to sit. I mean, like you're sitting in a certain way right now because it's presentable.
Yeah.
So and so am I.
Right.
I've worn certain clothes because they make me look more presentable. But is it really me? No. I mean, I'm so many more shades. I sometimes sit in that way or that way. But so these are things that I had to let go of. That I'm not going to have any of those filters guiding my actions and behavior. And actually, I started to live like that, not just in front of the camera. I started to be like that with my kids. They also enjoyed it a lot because, dad was just like doing his own thing, So yeah, I enjoyed it so much. Yeah. I think it also made me a bit more freer in my own being. So in a lot of ways, it's changed me. I've incorporated those patterns of thought. It actually made me a bit more authentic. That's the word. It made
Authentic
me realize.
in what way?
It made me realize that I don't have to project that I'm a nice person. I'm a nice person, that's inherent in me. I need to trust that. I need to remember that. I need to have faith in that. And then I can just be authentic. I can tell you off if I don't like you. I can be a little harsh with you if that's my instinct. With my friends, I mean, what I'm trying to say is that being authentic is the most attractive thing in the world. So if you're authentic, and you're being real, that's the most attractive thing in the world. So that's something I've learned, which is new for me. Yeah.
When the promo came out, so there were a few apprehensions about the accent and maybe the color tone of the skin color tone. But once the movie released, I think those things, they're not being said. Do you at times take criticism seriously? Do you think that maybe there's something in that, or you feel that maybe?
Yeah, I do. But there wasn't anything in this one.
Once the movie released, I think people are not having any issues.
I really believe that the exterior is not so important. It's almost like that saying, no? Don't judge a book by its
cover.
So a lot of times we look at a person, maybe who's on the street, and we think, yeah, he won't be as intelligent as me. He won't be as cool as me. But you know what? Be surprised. Bhagwan jab baantata hai na all these talents and these character traits, he doesn't look at geography, money, and status when he distributes these character traits. So the exterior is a very, very dangerous layer to judge a person by. So I also don't allow myself to be judged by people who are criticizing my hair, shirt, pant, skin. I don't bother. Because I know, yaar, mera dil sahi hai. If my heart is right, if I've matched, when I read that script, I knew that this person was me. Anand sir's journey, somehow, I mean, we are from two different parts of the world, was absolutely alike in many ways. So I knew my heart is a match. Once your heart is a match, nothing else matters.
You also had two wonderful actors in Pankaj Tripathi and Aditya.
Yeah.
I think they're really good. And how important is to have
Very, very important.
competent
My God,
actors?
very important. For me, it's very, very important. I'm only as good as the actor who's in front of me, because I'll say this, and you'll react to it you'll argue it out, but I don't believe I am a great actor or even a good actor. I am only someone who can react to stimulus. I'm very good at that. I'm very good at reacting to stimulus. So if the actor in front of me is mind blowing, it'll take my work up as well, because I'm reacting to that. So it's very important for me. Of course, I started off perfecting the craft, perfecting the look and all of that. So that is the craft side of it, which in time I let go of, because I'm saying again, it's not being authentic. It is a very good skill that helps you in front of the camera. You should know that skill, but eventually you have to have the balance of the craft and the art. And the art comes from the heart. So
Right.
it's a mix between the craft and heart. So when it comes to films like this, when it's all about the heart, you have to have the stimulus has to be great. So I'm very, very thankful, very grateful that I got a chance to work with great actors in this film. Hi guys, this is Hrithik Roshan and you are watching Bollywood Hungama.